Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Pratesh with My Blockchain Education coming at you today with another video. Guys, Happy New Year's Eve. 2019 is just around the corner. I just wanted to say that this has been a tremendous year, filled with many setbacks and hurdles, as well as many opportunities and achievements. So for those of you who have continued to be involved in the crypto space and to learn and to continue to grow, and further your education about blockchain and cryptocurrencies, I would like to say thank you for all of your continued support. For everyone who's been continuing to comment and like the videos that I've been making, thank you so much. For all of my new subscribers, I'd like to say welcome. This is going to be a great opportunity for us going forward into 2019, and I just wanted to say this is going to be quite the year. So to start off this video, I have a few news articles for you guys. I just wanted to read a little bit. Also, taking a look at some of the markets here, I just wanted to pull up the prices that we're looking at here. Concluding the end of 2018, we're seeing Bitcoin kind of trading sideways at the moment, close to around this 3,700 mark. And we can see that it's just been slowly just kind of hovering, I guess, around this price area, just waiting for a break either in the upwards direction or in the downwards direction. So only time will tell. We will see where the market lies going into the new year. But looking at this first news article, it's saying the launch timeline for Bakkt's Bitcoin futures to be clarified early 2019. The Intercontinental Exchange announced an update on the launch of Bakkt Bitcoin USD daily futures contract in official notice December 31st. The document from ICE, the operator of the New York Stock Exchange and creator of digital assets platform Bakkt, states that following consultation with the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, or the CFTC, ICE Futures US Inc. expects to provide an updated launch timeline in early 2019 for the trading, clearing, and warehousing of Bakkt's Bitcoin futures contract. The document reiterated that previously the firm had been targeting January 24th, 2019 as a launch date, but that the date will be amended pursuant to the CFTC's process and timeline. The statement also outlines the particular nature of Bakkt's futures contract, stating, "The Bakkt's Bitcoin USD daily futures contract is a physically settled daily futures contract for Bitcoin held in Bakkt warehouse and will be cleared by ICE Clear US Inc. Each futures contract calls for delivery of one Bitcoin held in Bakkt warehouse and will trade in US dollar terms." As Cointelegraph also reported today, Bakkt has completed its first funding round, raising $182.5 million from 12 partners and investors. ICE initially announced the intention to create an open and regulated global ecosystem for digital assets, powered by the Microsoft Cloud infrastructure this past August. The founder of Galaxy Digital, a crypto investment firm that invested in Bakkt, cited Bakkt's pending launch as one of the industry's developments that could help turn around the downward trend in crypto markets this year. So with that being said, I think that based on what we've seen, the precedent of with their release dates, we might be looking at sometime around January. That's not to say they might not push it back even further, who knows? But I think that this will eventually lead up to some form of catalyst in the entire market where we're going to start to see more institutional money coming into the space. So definitely very interesting news coming from Bakkt and ICE. So going on into the next news article I have for you, a Chinese survey finds nearly 40% of respondents would invest in crypto. A Chinese survey of 4,200 respondents has shown that 40% are willing to invest in crypto in the future. Local Chinese crypto news outlet 8BTC reports. According to the answers gathered during the crypto-related survey, about half of all the respondents had heard of the following terms: cryptocurrency, digital currency, or Bitcoin. On the other hand, 63% of the respondents believe that there is no necessity for crypto as a means of payment. As well, only 22.2% of the surveyed individuals were aware of the concept of blockchain-powered tokens. The Chinese government recently released its latest ranking of cryptocurrencies, which places Bitcoin in 18th place and EOS at the top. The second place is held by the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum. As Cointelegraph reported in mid-November, a Twitter survey conducted by former U.S. Congressman Ron Paul, which counted 94,894 votes, favored Bitcoin over more traditional forms of money as a long-term investment. Also, a more recent survey conducted by the German Federal Association for Information Technology, Telecommunications, and New Media revealed that over 1/3 of big German businesses consider blockchain as revolutionary as the internet. Wow, juicy article, very interesting. It's really interesting to see what different parts of the world think about blockchain and crypto. And they had mentioned in this article about the survey being released by the Chinese government, kind of ranking the different blockchain projects. And I find it very interesting that they've ranked EOS at the top and Bitcoin in 18th place. And whatever guidelines they're using, I'm not entirely sure, but it's I guess it just kind of intrigues me, especially with some of the projects that we're seeing come out from China, things like Neo and Ontology, VeChain. So a lot of these other projects that are based in China, and they're, the Chinese government knowing about certain types of projects going on. So very interesting to see. I'm curious as to what might be some of their guidelines that they're using to rate these projects. If you guys might know a little bit more about that, please be sure to drop a comment down in the section below. But moving on here, the last article I have for you guys for today, this is an interesting one. Lots of controversy around this one. A lot of you guys have heard how Facebook is trying to get involved with this whole blockchain tech. So what we have here, from blanket ban to its own stablecoin, how Facebook's relationship with crypto changed over 2018. On December 20th, Bloomberg reported that Facebook is making a stablecoin for WhatsApp users. The cryptocurrency will be reportedly used for money transfers made within the messaging app and will focus on the Indian market. The move provides a curious juxtaposition for the social media giant, which banned cryptocurrency-related advertising across its network back in January, and then partly reversed it in June. Here's how Facebook's relationship with cryptocurrencies and blockchain has been developing in 2018. And it's going to talk about how in January they had banned cryptocurrency-related ads. And as we keep scrolling down here, we're seeing that Facebook's stance on blockchain has kind of loosened. And we can see here that from a full-on ban of anything related to blockchain, we can see that the developments and what Mark Zuckerberg is intending to do is actually create its own form of stablecoin. So after scrolling down through here, the bottom of the article, I'm just going to read this a little bit going into December. Facebook's blockchain arm is on a hiring spree. Rumors about a WhatsApp stablecoin surface. In December, the Facebook blockchain arm's hiring spree was noticed by Cointelegraph, as the social media company listed at least 5 new blockchain-related positions on its careers page over 3 weeks, most of which have been closed as of present time. The only remaining position mentioning blockchain is for a business development lead, for which potential applicants are required to have a deep understanding of blockchain product and technology in order to inform and influence Facebook's product's roadmap and support and execute on product plans. So, very interesting. Not entirely sure what their time horizon is, but I think that we will see Facebook also become a relevant name in the blockchain space. So very interesting news articles here, guys. I wanted to say again, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all the love and the support. It definitely helps me grow as a channel. If you guys found some value out of this video, please be sure to drop a like. It definitely helps me grow. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for future content. And if you guys have any suggestions for future videos, please be sure to drop that in the comments below. Until next time, guys, I will see you in 2019. Take care.